everyone, today in front of me I have a HUAWEI Nova Y90 smartphone, and in this video I would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, if we'll go to the settings, open up the display and brightness category and expand the available values for the sleep section, we'll see that the maximum timestamp that we can set is 10 minutes. Therefore, let's go ahead and download the custom third-party app called Caffeine, which will allow us to set bigger values, as I've mentioned at the start of the video, up to never. So choose the search bar or the search engine that you'd like, type in Caffeine APK just like so. Try to find this very application, the icon of which looks like so, and the full name for this app is Caffeine. Keep the screen on. I will use the apkcombo.com website. Now download the APK file. In here, tap on it once again. Download anyway. Now we can go ahead and open it and install. Now once we open the app, all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout setting of it, the timeout option, has the infinite value set, and that will essentially mean that as long as the Caffeine application is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep, will not turn off automatically, no matter for how much time you'll keep it in the idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.